Take out the black marker and draw a panda drink. Draw a rectangular block. Then draw an inverted triangle. Draw the base of the cup. Now let's draw a round head. Drawing the panda's ears. Then draw the panda's big eyes. A small nose. Cute mouth. Add the next 5 senses. And then let's draw the internal straw. A few stripes. Drawing the milk tea liquid and ingredients. Highlighting the cup. Drawing stripes. Paint the beach. Starfish on the right. Shells on the left. And then the falling leaves. It's done, it's great. Now let's bold the stroke. That's great. Now let's get some color. Blue. Rose. Orange. Purple. Light green. Yellow. Orange. Orange. Rose. Pink blush. Blue. Green. Grass green. Red. Light green. Yellow. Yellow shell. Orange. Our work is done. It's beautiful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.